Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure power and connectivity are stable. Charge the AirPods and case above 50% and keep your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi and power. Once done, place the AirPods in the case and open the lid near the iPhone so the devices can handshake. Make sure Bluetooth is on. The update pushes automatically when conditions are met. You do this because firmware updates install silently and need a reliable power and network state to finish without corrupting the device. You now focus on encouraging the update. Keep the case open near the unlocked iPhone and leave both devices undisturbed for 10-20 minutes, because updates often install automatically in idle moments. Once done, check Settings Bluetooth, tap the AirPods info icon, and view the firmware version to confirm completion. If nothing changed, make a simple intervention. Toggle Bluetooth or restart the iPhone to recreate the connection, and then wait again, because the firmware transfer only begins under stable connection and device idle condition. You finish by verifying the firmware number in AirPods info to ensure the update applied. If the version remains old after multiple tries, perform a reset. Put AirPods in the case, hold the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then reconnect and wait again. Make sure to avoid resetting after a partial update, only reset after retries. If problems persist, try a different iPhone or contact support, because some updates require a specific host environment to complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.